HVAC core removal tool to remove the cores from inside of the, or not necessarily, excuse me, let me correct myself, not on the actual ports for the high and the low pressure side. And so the front would not come off here. The back actually has the plunger part, and the plunger part will come off. But if we inspect the back here, we can see a little beveled edge here. And if one notes the beveled edge, this keeps this we'll call it, for all intents and purposes, we'll call it a nut, but it keeps this nut from sliding beyond this point and coming off. So I'm not sure if one can actually put this on or not. There, it looks like there's a grommet in here, like a rubber grommet. But if one inspects this part here, is one notes that this is kind of beveled, which prevents this nut, so to speak, from coming off. But when one slides this into here to actually grab the thing, and as one notes, when it's closed, this is as far as it'll go. So the ball valve has to be open for it to go all the way to the front. When the ball valve goes open and it goes all the way to the front, then one can turn this, connect it, turn it counterclockwise, and then extract the, pull it all the way out. But you leave this connected. Once you leave this screwed up here, then you can turn this on. Then you can remove the entire thing. But you have to make sure that the ball valve. So again, when we inspect this thing, as we note on the end has two little fingers here, or bifurcated things, and a little beveled edge. So the beveled edge, I'm assuming, is to keep the nut from coming all the way off from the end. So it's a neat little configuration. And then when we take the old Schrader valve off here, put a new one in, then what happens, one would go here, and then you would slide the nut all the way here, tighten this nut up first. Once this nut's tightened up first, then turn the ball valve on, and then you can push the plunger into this where it comes to the other side. So let's see, hypothetically, it's need about 4 hands to do this, but so now we have the ball valve in the on position. So once the ball valve is in the on position, hypothetically, this would already be screwed up, because if you don't, you'll start losing refrigerant. And once this is screwed up on this nut, then you can take this and push this plunger, and we'll just say, take this and push this plunger up here, all the way here to the end. And as one can see in the end, there's your end there. So then you would, you could actually just turn the ball valve off if you would like. But the topic of the video is this plunger here and the beveled edge, so the nut doesn't come off, and what parts remove and what parts stay. This part here stays. This part here can be removed to change the core removal tool. Thank you for watching. This is a core removal tool to remove cores from or stems or Schrader valves from your high and your low pressure lines on your HVAC system. Thank you for watching.